Take a trip, wherever the destination is. Funny things happen on journey. We're used to record them with camera, but this time, let's make a change. Potensic D80 selfie drone. It is so intelligent. GPS hovering and barometer set height. Easy. One key taking off or landing. HD video recording and HD picture shooting. D80 captures your wonderful moments on journey. Stable and strong brushless motor provides strong flying power. You want this? Point of interest orbit, making your shooting more attractive. Follow me mode, making your drone your exclusive photographer. It will follow you wherever you go. Under app custom route flight, D80 will fly according to your designed route. D80 features long control distance, HD real-time transmission, providing a better flying experience. D80 allows you to imagine, to record, to explore, and find another way to live.